what will you be doing 6 days from now? So slower, yes? What? What? You just place your hands out, fingers out, palms up, and side to side a little. What? It's kind of natural, yes? What? What? Will. Will. So it's a W hand and it comes out to an L hand. Will. 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 You. Just point out with your palm up. You. B. It's a B hand and you just kind of tilt it so your palm is pointing to the opposite side. B. 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 Doing. Do. Just your first finger and your thumb. You're going to bring them together as they're pointing up. Do. Do-ing. Doing. Doing. 6. Touch your pinky to your thumb. 6 days. Days. So it's a D hand. Here's your horizon arm. Bring the D or the day, like it's the sun, all the way across the horizon. Days, and then plural. Days. Days. From. Curl your support or your lead hand's first finger like a little X. Place it on your support hand's finger and bring your lead hand to you. From, now, now, now. So now, like this. What will you be doing 6 days from now? Or, what will you be doing 6 days from now?